Greetings, this is Chris from Tantalizing Tech. CES 2023 completed recently, and HP has unveiled some really exciting and new tech. This particular episode will only focus on the new HP DragonFly ChromeBook laptop. Please stick around until the end to see if this laptop is tantalizing. But first, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment saying, I subscribed, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. As I mentioned, we will now discuss the HP DragonFly ChromeBook laptop. As shown on the screen, we can see that the HP DragonFly ChromeBook comes in ceramic white version. This laptop also comes in a sparkling black version that we'll see later on. In terms of the operating system of course, Chrome operating system, since it is a HP DragonFly Pro ChromeBook. This particular laptop comes with 12th generation Intel Core i5 1235U processors at 3.67 gigahertz. In addition, this laptop comes with Intel UHD graphics. Furthermore, this laptop comes with 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 memory. In addition, this laptop has an RGB backlit key. While HP does not give a specific value for the battery life, HP does mention that the 4-cell 51.3 watt-hour lithium-ion battery is an all-day battery, and they also include a 96-watt USB Type-C power adapter with this laptop. Furthermore, the battery supports fast charge with 50% charging in 30 minutes. In terms of the laptop that's shown, we have the ceramic white version. At the top is the left-hand side of the laptop, and at the bottom is the right-hand side of the laptop. In addition, for the left side of the laptop, which is the top picture, we have two USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports with 40 gigabits per second speed, power, display, and charging capabilities. In addition, for the lower picture, which is the right-hand side of the laptop, we also have two USB Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports with 40 gigabytes of speed, power, display, and charging capabilities. This is the sparkling black version of the laptop. This particular one comes with the display option of a 14-inch diagonal LCD, which is 2560 by 1600 multi-touch enabled, IPS, 1200 nits, and also has a display with 100% sRGB and a screen to body ratio of 87. In addition, this sparkling black version includes an 8 megapixel webcam. Furthermore, this laptop includes 4 Bang & Olufsen speakers with 2 up-firing speakers and 2 down-firing speakers. Also, this laptop includes Wi-Fi 6EN and also Bluetooth 5.2. This laptop also weighs in at 3.33 pounds or 1.50 kilograms. Question that everyone has been asking, is this laptop tantalizing? And before we decide if the HP DragonFly ChromeBook is tantalizing, I wanted to remind you to subscribe if you feel that this video is tantalizing. Leave a comment saying I subscribe, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. And now, the decision as to whether the HP DragonFly ChromeBook is tantalizing. The verdict is in. This laptop is tantalizing. The reason why this laptop is tantalizing is in the table that I have provided. On the left-hand side of this table, we have the tantalizing features. In the center column, we have monotonous features. And on the right-hand side, we have unalluring features. I will concentrate only on the tantalizing features, and you can pause the video and review the monotonous or unalluring features. In terms of tantalizing features, this laptop has an 8 megapixel webcam. It has 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 memory. It has 4 Bang & Olufsen speakers with 2 up firing and 2 down firing. In addition, it has Wi-Fi 6E connectivity. Other tantalizing features includes the port selection. On the left-hand side, there's 2 Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports with 40 gigabits of speed, power, display, and charging capabilities. On the right-hand side, you also get 2 Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports with 40 gigabits of speed, power, display, and charging capabilities. As I mentioned before, there's 4 total USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports. In addition, this laptop supports fast charge with 50% charging in 30 minutes. Also, this laptop comes in ceramic white and sparkling black. Furthermore, this laptop has an RGB backlit keyboard. And I want to thank you again for watching Tantalizing Tech. I have been your host, Christopher. Once again, I wanted to remind you to subscribe if you feel that this video is tantalizing. Leave a comment saying, I subscribe, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. Wow, now that was tantalizing. Thank you.